Hello and welcome to Freebie Friday. Today is April 16th. It's hard to believe. And I'm back with another freebie. If you are interested in downloading this freebie, you can go to my Facebook page, Cara, Brandon, and Friends, and then you can download this. It will be in the files. So today I actually made 2 pages. The reason was I couldn't just have the 4 out of the 6 colors of the rainbow, so I have 6, and then I made some ephemera to go with it. So these are little coin envelopes. I had hoped that I could make them a little bit bigger, but this will work. So there's the red through the purple coin envelope, and then there's matching pieces that can actually fit in here. And this goes really well with the ephemera kit, of course the rainbow kits, any of the signatures. And then recently, just this week, Monday, I put up another kit with the mixed media index cards, and there's a ton of ephemera that is also with that, and I figured if you bought that, you could also use that to decorate. I mean, anything in your stash too, but yep. All right, I would love for a thumbs up if you are liking the Freebie Friday, if you like this one. It seems that people are enjoying it, so thanks for coming back. All right, so now I want to show you what I'm going to make with this week's Freebie Friday. I'm working on my rainbow journal, and I was thinking here I could use the envelopes, and I was going to do 3 of them, so I printed 3 envelopes, and then I was going to do pockets like this, and I'm going to glue them down. Come on, glue. So yeah, if you want multiple pockets, the cool thing about digitals is you can print multiple of them. So that's what I did. I printed 3 envelopes of the purple. These would make cute little flip outs too. You know, you could, excuse me, you could put one and then flip it, and then you'd have to, you know, kind of make a thing, but that'd be cute as well. There we go. It's kind of eyeballing it so that it's sort of equal distance apart. And then I have the little card that goes with it, part of the Freebie Friday. I just backed it with some purple scrapbook paper and some Holds paper and another piece of scrapbook paper, all the size that can fit in the envelope. And then in here, I have all the little bits from the different kits, the different ephemera pieces. And I was looking through, and I have purple, the purples to the top. So like I was saying, I think that these kits, the ephemera kits and the journaling kits, would go well. So let's do that. Let's add that. Oh, come on, glue. I think I'm going to add the butterfly to this side. Maybe a little ink. So if you download the freebie, and post a picture of what you made with your freebie. You will then be entered into a weekly drawing where you can then win a coupon to my Etsy shop. And so if you haven't, oh yeah, and I wanted to add fabric. If you haven't picked up the rainbow kits, that would be a great way to get a discount. The mixed media tag card, this guy with all the different mixed media cards, that one is 50% off through Monday. And that one is the one that has all these words like this along with the cards. And that one, I think, is 50%. It is 50% off, and I think it makes it $1.50. There we go. Glue this one on. And more fabric. Whoops. Word to this one. Let's do the word on this side. Ooh, let's do. Oh, this will be good. Let's do this one. Little butterfly. And then the Tim Holtz paper. Stick a button. It's nice, these paper buttons. Since they're flat, it's kind of nice addition. I love using buttons, but sometimes it gets a little too bulky. I think we'll use Brilliant. All right. I love it. And then I think I'll add a little bit of decoration on the outside. I love having all the little bits cut out, and then it just makes it easy to go through and figure out what you want to use. Okay. Pretty easy to put together today. Just came right together. I'm worried that I glued my pocket. Oh, there we go. There we go. All right. So there's today's Freebie Friday make. Again, you can go download it from my group, and I hope you have a wonderfully crafty day. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.